Hello, this is Mrs. Johnson. This is MAT 223 Calculus 3. This is section 9.1 with more examples. Example number 3. Find the equation of the sphere with center at 621 and passing through the point 2, 4, -1. Recall that we have the equation of a sphere, which is the extension of the equation of a circle, where h, k, and l is the center of the sphere and r is the radius of the sphere. Now, we already know the center, so 6, 2, and 1 can be placed into this equation for h, k, and l. But we also need to find out what is the radius of this equation. Now, remember, the radius is the distance between from the center of the circle, which is here, to a point on the circle. So you notice this sphere, or in this is on the sphere, and this sphere is passing through this point. So if I find the distance between the center and that point using the distance formula, I get radical 24. That gives me the value, the absolute value of r. Now again, I want to take the square, I want to square this to put it into the formula. So putting it into our formula, we have 6, 2, and 1 is our center for h, k, and l, and our radius is square root of 24. When we square it, equals 24.